Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. Hope you all most well. Today our drawing I about how to draw a beautiful rabbit. Start with the head. Draw an oval shape for the rabbit's head. Add ears on top of the head. Draw two long upright oval shape for the ears. You can make them a bit pointed at the top. Draw the eyes inside the head. Draw two smaller ovals for the eyes and a tiny circle inside them for pupils. Step 4. Add the nose and mouth. Draw a small triangle at the bottom center of the face for the nose. From the bottom of the nose, draw a curved line down from the mouth and two smaller curved lines to each side. Step 5. Draw the body below the head. Draw a roundish, larger oval shape for the body. Draw 6. Step 6. Add the legs. Draw two small oval shape for the front leg position under the body. For the hind leg, draw a larger oval behind the body, angle sideways, and other oval at the bottom for the foot. Step 7. Draw the details. Draw the tail. At the back of the body, draw a fluffy little circle for the tail. Step 8. Detail. Add fur line along the head and body for texture. You can also add whisker on each side of the nose by drawing three lines extending from each side. You are very fast. Step 8. Details. Add fur lines along the head and body for texture. You can also add whisker on each side of the nose by drawing three lines extending from each side. Step 9. Finish up. Clean as any accessory line and you can shade the rabbit lightly for more depth. This gives you a cute simple rabbit. Would you like me to guide you through another style or something more detailed? Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment my all videos, and would you tell me how to draw in the next video? How to draw. What I draw in the next video. This is too cute and simple rabbit. This is simple. Okay, bye bye.